Uh-oh. I need someone's help. Assistance! Assistance! It's just right there. Yeah, it's just right there. Yeah. Can you...
You're fine.
You're fine. Yeah, you're fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. Thank you. Yeah, sorry about the inconvenience like that. It was just, it slipped out. It slipped out of my hand. I don't know how. It's just.
I'll call security. You just drop your phone.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Let's go. These aren't chains with any.
Oh, fucking ops.
Did you just say ops, dude?
Nick, that's a fucking gangbang. That's not funny.
What is it?
Spray paint.
Are you serious?
Yeah, let me spray paint your fucking bike.
No, actually?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Spray fucking paint.
That goes away. That
Spray
goes
paint.
away, dude.
It's spray fucking
No,
paint.
it's like it's ink. It's like invisible ink. See, why would you be doing it? Exactly. You wouldn't be doing it if it was fake.
I mean, it's not paint.
Yeah.
I'm mad about how he fucking sprayed it on my bike.
Get away! No.
Oh shit. Ethan, don't fuck me. You fucking weirdo. What the fuck?
No one wants your rat butt,
Now your
dude.
bitch ass is getting your fucking on your bike, bitch. I'm gonna on your camera.
A bike pump thing.
You know, little bitch. Ah, I'm gonna fuck you up. I body slammed James earlier, bro.
No, let's talk about how James messed up Carlos' freaking hand.
I didn't mess it up. The gate did.
You were there though.
The gate did. Am I right?
I'm gonna look at what Carlos sent me. He texted me.
Hey, man, I got 12 stitches by my wrist yesterday by James.
Huh?
Damn.
You're a dick, dude. You're a dick. That you got 12 stitches by James. By James.
Like this, you don't do that. Stop.
Shut the fuck up, Ethan. I'll cut you.
I wasn't even talking. Was it the one that we used at my car that one time? That's the size? Oh, for sure, dude. We're fine.
It's not even that big.
Looks like champagne cap.
Oh, that's look like.
Yo.
We
Who
don't
knew
have
pumpkins were hollow?
We don't have to.
Oh, don't clear it out. Don't clear it
So
out.
it goes everywhere.
Yeah, exactly.
You think it's strong enough?
I don't know.
You want to be called one?
Oh, teardrop. I might turn into one. Oh wait, I still need to cut up. I just don't know what weight at. I just know it's a fucking ass season.
Can you cut yourself with that?
Yeah.
You're disgusting, dude. I can't give them any. I can't give these guys any context about what's happening, just because you guys are so secretive. But all you guys gotta know is that it's disgusting.
What?
It's nasty what they're talking about.
Yeah.
I can't say it. You guys won't let me. You guys won't let me talk about it. I had to already delete some footage.
Jessica bought it. Oh yeah, Jessica.
That's a funky looking vibrator.
You hear this, Dad?
Ethan, you own a dildo.
A certified queer.
Just do like a little stripper spin too. At first.
Yo, my dad's birthday's on Monday.
Oh.
He's going to work.
My dad's probably watching you fucking be a stripper right now.
Alright, do it.
I can't, dude. A human flag is gnarly. Oh, like human flag thing, like the cheating one. The cheating.
Did I do it once?
Yeah, you didn't hold it, but you had a certain way, like you held it.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. Oh, like
I can't keep my legs together.
Bro, who made this mouth?
whoa, watch out for that cat. Can you put
Try it like that, Ethan.
like this?
You gotta jump.
It's the regular way. You just go.
You gotta jump.
Hey, jump.
Oh my gosh, no, that's not happening.
No.
My
You
big
got-
neck- what?
Do
You just go like this, like.
My
Sorry.
brand new van.
Yeah, like that.
Oh, it's hard. Oh my gosh.
Not on the fucking
Alright.
day. You know what else is hard?
like fucking Superman.
Your dick.
What the
No. What is this guy talking about?
Eat this.
You can. It's not gonna do nothing.
I just think it'd be weird to eat, you know?
It tastes like pumpkin.
Oh, really? You think so? I wouldn't have guessed. Hey, dude.
No.
What are you trying to even make?
The reference of yours.
Oh, fuck.
How do you do that?
Oh, with strength? Stupid. Whatever. That wasn't me.
Yeah, it was.
Don't break the gay cat.
Trying.
We're taking flicks.
Yeah, they're being rambunctious right now. You did a terrible job with that penis, Larry.
That looks like a good penis.
It's not even a good penis. Look at it. Let's really assess this. I mean, I'm not even kidding. It looks like it has testicular cancer, dude.
Do a freaking adult swim mode.
Foreskin my butt, dude.
Nick.
What?
You're not. You actually have foreskin?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey, can you show me that?
You got so defensive.
Can you show me that right up real quick?
Bro, you keep on touching my fucking ass.
Johnny gropes me, dude. Oh my gosh, he'll literally just grab my dick and balls and like squeeze it. No, like we dap each other up. He'll just. No, I don't. I'll back up like really quick. I'll jolt away. But dude, oh my, it's ridiculous, Johnny. Ooh, oh my gosh.
Oh shit, the rat hit him.
Hey, he's gonna put this on YouTube, bro. He's gonna put this on YouTube, and he got what you said. You better tell him to delete it.
Are you okay?
I don't give a fuck. I'd like to see two cousins making out.
Dude, what?
Not mine. Like.
Light up dildo.
Look it.
What the
Yo!
A bag of candy.
No way! Mike and Ike's!
Oh, hell no.
Which one caught Carlos?
Right there. The only one that's fucking facing up.
Wow.
He was hanging by that big.
Yeah, it was holding
Whoa.
his fat ass up like pretty good. Yeah, I had to pick him up.
He had to like pick him up and get him off.
I watched James the whole way.
You didn't open? That was aggressive. Don't. What? Oh my gosh. Are you serious? Was that real?
Yeah.
Hold on, wait.
But I caught myself, so it's good.
Moon.
Look at the glowing penis.
Glowing penis.
Where my water at?
It's going. It's going down for real. Do 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 do.
Dick on fire. Letting his hand in a dick.
Bladen fisting.
Letting fist in a wiener. And
Man.
I got dips on standing right here.
Right there.
We want, huh?
I think that shit's on fire.
Ethan, we want this
Yes.
shit to blow up, huh?
Yeah, I kind of do.
Yeah, go get a bigger one. Come on, please.
You guys really
Hey,
want
just
some?
just for fun. Put the.
I've never
Ethan,
even put the bigger
Ethan,
one in
should
there
he get a
before.
bigger one for this?
It's Bladen's decision. It's his.
It compressed the little one.
Bro,
though.
look at me. I got soaked. I ran into the wall.
Alright, let's come back.
Leave it here.
Yeah, leave it though.
You don't think anyone's gonna smash it?
No. Who
Okay.
the fuck is gonna?
Oh, I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Oh, you idiot. Oh, yo, there's a chunk right here. Get it, Jason. Don't get it on the pants, dog. No, you carry it. Bad boys. Bad boys. Bad boys.
Oh, it's me. Hey guys.
I did that wrong.
You don't think that's cool? Okay, now it's recording. It's recording now. It's recording now. Now it's recording. To be honest, Ethan, might have missed it a little bit. Alright, stop making sexual noises.
The first one was the coolest. I
can't remake
it.
Look at this monkey. Not racist. It's because he's climbing. Want me to spin you?
Dude.
Dude?
Dick's not good. Alright, yeah.
You dream about you saying deja vu too?
No, I never.
Really?
Get it.
More?
Get it. Now I'm like, get the footage.
Have you thrown up or what? Oh. He's going very fast. What a great observation.
I'm swag.
Pretty swag.
No, these are good to
Give me one, give me one, give me one.
Oh my goodness, here, have the same one.
Huh? Ah. Yeah. Oh, that was so cool. Oh my gosh.